Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can uninstall apps on your Nubia Red Magic 8 Pro. So first you have to go to the settings, then you have to scroll down and find applications. It's right here. Next, now you have to just go for the app info. And here we can find all apps that we have on the phone. So if you want to get rid of any application, now we can try to get rid, for example, of this game. As you can see, there is no way to get rid of that. That's interesting. So let's try maybe this one. Yeah, this one we can actually get rid. So click on the uninstall button at the bottom of the screen, then click OK. And as you can see right now, it is finished. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.